TikTok isn't just about viral dances and funny memes. It's a dynamic platform that has evolved far beyond its initial reputation. It's quickly become one of the most powerful platforms for making real money. With millions of active users, the potential to earn is immense. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or someone just starting out, TikTok has opportunities for everyone. The platform is designed to be inclusive and accessible. And here's the best part, you don't need millions of followers to start earning. Even with a modest following, you can tap into various revenue streams. Here are 5 proven ways to make money on TikTok. These methods are tried and tested, ensuring that you can start earning with minimal investment. First, the TikTok Creator Fund. Apply once you hit 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. This fund rewards creators for their content. Next, sponsored posts. Brands will approach you for collaborations. These partnerships can be highly lucrative, especially if you have a niche audience. Micro-influencers with 5,000 to 50,000 followers are in high demand. Brands often prefer them for their engaged and loyal audiences. Another way is affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos and include a link in your bio. Each sale through your link earns you a commission. You can also make money by going live. Followers can send you virtual gifts that convert to cash. Live sessions are a great way to engage with your audience in real time. Finally, use TikTok to sell your own products or services. TikTok Shopping lets users purchase directly from your videos. This is perfect for small business owners and freelancers. So whether you're just starting out or already growing your following, TikTok offers multiple ways to make money. The key is to stay consistent and creative. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to grow and monetize your social media platforms. Your journey to making money on TikTok starts now. But wait, there's more. Let's dive deeper into each of these methods to give you a clearer picture of how you can maximize your earnings on TikTok. The TikTok Creator Fund is a fantastic starting point. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can start earning based on the performance of your videos. The more engaging your content, the higher your earnings. Sponsored posts are another goldmine. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can authentically promote their products. Make sure your content aligns with the brand's values for a successful partnership. Micro-influencers have a unique advantage. Their smaller, more engaged audiences often lead to higher conversion rates for brands. Focus on building a loyal community to attract these opportunities. Affiliate marketing is a win-win. You get to promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Choose products that resonate with your audience for the best results. Going live on TikTok is not just about earning money. It's about building a deeper connection with your audience. The virtual gifts you receive can be converted into real cash, making it a fun and interactive way to monetize your content. Selling your own products or services on TikTok can be incredibly rewarding. Use TikTok Shopping to make it easy for your followers to purchase directly from your videos. This is especially beneficial for small business owners and freelancers looking to expand their reach. Consistency and creativity are key. Plan your content ahead of time and keep experimenting with new ideas to keep your audience engaged. The more value you provide, the more likely you are to grow your following and increase your earnings. Engage with your audience regularly. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with them. Building a strong community will not only boost your engagement, but also open up more monetization opportunities. Don't forget to cross-promote your TikTok content on other social media platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and attract more followers, increasing your potential for monetization. Remember, success on TikTok doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, keep learning, and adapt to the ever-changing trends. Your hard work will pay off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to grow and monetize your social media platforms. Your journey to making money on TikTok starts now.